Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable in-game sounds in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can create your own tactics, and also how you can manage a club. And let's get started. I want to show you how you can enable in-game sounds by tap the settings icon and then tap the settings option. So this is the sounds. So there is no music in this game, but if you turn these sounds on, you can hear the chant, and also you can hear the sound effect or the atmosphere in the stadium when or during the match game. So if you are comfortable with the silent mode, you can tap the setting button and you can turn this off. So you hear the sound, right? So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.